New at 10 o'clock, she walked out of an Arizona memory care facility undetected.
Then just hours later, police say they found her dead. Now, 3 different agencies trying to piece together this 88-year-old woman's death, along with the facility that was supposed to be caring for her.
Team 12's Chase Golightly is looking into this case for us tonight. Chase.
Police believe Ina Jenkins walked right out of this memory care center in Gilbert. It specializes in helping patients with Alzheimer's and dementia. Now it's the center of multiple investigations.
A silver alert went out early Monday for 88-year-old Ina Jenkins, a resident at the Silver Creek Inn memory care community near Baseline and Power Roads. The Gilbert Police Department says the last time anyone saw Jenkins was 6 in the morning, but it would be another 3 hours until they got the call from the facility saying they couldn't find her. Believing she left on foot, the search for Jenkins began. Officers combing the area. 9 hours later, she was found, but it was too late.
The Mesa Police Department says it was this area where a water company worker saw Jenkins' body on the ground and called 911. When police officers arrived, they say she was already dead.
Now, 2 police departments and the State Department of Health Services are investigating how Jenkins died and how she was able to get out undetected.
Something happened, something went wrong, and unfortunately, an 88-year-old woman walked out the door and died.
State Director of Arizona AARP, Dana Kennedy, has been outspoken about how these types of facilities don't have a lot of regulations, questioning if Silver Creek Inn really had proper security measures in place to make sure this situation never happens.
It should have been alerted as soon as she opened the door that somebody was leaving the facility. So it seems like a lot of things that should be in place may not have been in place.
According to Silver Creek Inn's website, it has motion sensors and window sensors to alert staff. But when we looked up the facility's inspection history, we learned the state cited it for not having staff on call. There were also citations for patient service plans, either not filled out on time or updated. It was fined $1,000 last year for not having a plan for some of its patients.
We did receive a statement from the executive director of Kelch Senior Communities. That's the parent company to this memory care center, and they have dozens of locations across the country. They tell us they are saddened by Ina's death and are cooperating with law enforcement's investigation. We're in Gilbert tonight. Chase Golightly, 12 News.